Hello, I'm in a 2017 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to add oil. Check your oil. So first you open the hood, and then while the motor's off, you'll find your dipstick here that you pull all the way out. And then I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in. And then you pull this all the way back out. And then there you should see a couple dots. If I can zoom in at one with the F is full and the other dot is an L for low. So you want it pretty close, if not on the F, for your full. So it's fairly close. But let's say it was low. Stick this back in. And then while the motor's still off, this is where you would add your new oil. Make sure you've got the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic conventional that you've been using. But to add, you just unscrew this cap. And then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. And then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil. Turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the very beginning to check to see if we're on the full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of that in replacement of regular oil changes, which depending on motor age, mileage, type of oil, things like that, you usually do with vehicles between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so between each oil change. And to do those, you typically put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw that oil plug back in nice and tight, and then back up top, add all the oil recommended for your motor type for an oil change here. Screw this tight again, and then circulate the oil for about 5 seconds or so by turning the motor on. Turn it off, and then once again repeat the process with this dipstick to see if we're on that full. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.